Good evening, Chan. Good evening, everyone. My name is Yiranisa. Today I'm going to talk about choose students wear school uniform. Many people have different ideas about whether students should wear school uniform. Some believe uniform are important, while others think students should be free to choose their clothes. School uniform has several advantages. First, they help our students look equal when everyone wear the same outfit. When there is less pressure to follow fashion or buy expensive clothes. This reduces bullying and has students focus on learning. Uniform also make the school environment more formal and disciplined. Teachers can easily identify students and keep the campus safe. Another benefit is that uniform save time. Because it helps students do not need to think about what to wear. However, some people accuse that uniform take away student freedom of expression. They believe clothing helps students show their personality. Uniform may be not uncomfortable for some students, especially in hot weather. Despite this point, many schools still shows uniform because they promote unity and school spirit. In my opinion, school uniform are helpful because it creates clean and organized learning environment. Although they may not be perfect, they also bring many benefits to both students and schools. Thank you, Cha, and thank you, everyone.